res in areas, urban areas that they're available, or if we purchased or acquired them from county governments, you'll notice the clarity of the imagery is really, really nice. And again, these are available in certain areas. And we're in the process of putting a national agreement in place with a data provider to integrate their imagery in our product. And you'll notice there's Niagara Falls. I've actually laid over the street information and different things. And I can do all of the same things over the aerial imagery, such as do a radius search and return the parcels. I can select individual parcels. I can turn indicators on and off, sales price, etc., etc. And we just created a mailing label report by quickly creating a radius on the image. Now let's zoom out, and one of the other things we've done is include topo maps with our product. So we have regular topos, and in this case we're showing you a shaded topo. We feel this adds a lot of value to the product because you do get a feeling for what the contours are based on the shades and the relief of the image itself. And you can see the clarity of the topo itself. You can get a feeling for where you are visually. We think this adds a lot of value because people are visual beings, and they use visual cues to find out where they want to go. For instance, we want to look at the area right here where the stream is, and you'll notice there's a bluff. And we want to go right along the edge of that contour, right along the stream, and select all the parcels within this irregular polygon and double click. And you'll notice we've returned 117 records. And now I want to analyze what kind of properties are contained within this area. So the acreage is pretty easy. Here are the building types: Cape Cods, colonials, ranches, and you can see the distribution is a lot different than in the commercial area. Sales price indicators. So now we get a feeling for the character of a neighborhood as opposed to just looking at a plain vanilla street map. We can look at parcel maps, topo maps, and other visual types of information to get a cue. And now we'll go to Niagara Falls Country Club. Niagara Falls Country Club, and click on select. And now you'll notice we zoom in center, but now we're right at the edge of the topo map, and you can see where the delineation, you have plain parcels at the top and the visual cue of the topo map at the bottom. And this gives you a clear picture of the difference between the graphics of a plain parcel map, street map, and the other. And again, we can do the same thing here. We select a radius and we grab the parcels within that. And again, let's look at the character of this neighborhood, which is probably significantly different. Larger parcel distribution. And here you can see in the acreage there's certainly a different distribution. Building types, a more widespread distribution of building types in this area. And we'll clear that out. Let's zoom back in. The next feature I'd like to show you is pop-ups. And this is different in the current product, but you'll get a feeling for how they function today. We turn on pop-ups, and let's zoom in again. And you'll notice there's a little dot in the center of each parcel. And as I hover over the center of each parcel, the actual information changes. And we can scroll down. This is an HTML page that we pop up. We could include an image, any information from the MLS or from the tax information we choose. And let's turn those back off. And let's turn the overview map on. And this gives you the outline of Niagara County. So if I click on the lower left corner, you'll notice that I'm back down toward Niagara Falls again. So we can use the overview map to actually get around the county, if you will, and select certain areas. Now let's enter the Virtual Earth. This is Microsoft's Virtual Earth product. And remember, I was at the Niagara Falls area, and you can see here's Virtual Earth. We've zoomed in center to the exact spot that I was at with our parcel maps. And as I zoom in, and let's close Virtual Earth back down, you'll notice that my map will zoom in center to the exact same spot that Virtual Earth had. Now let's bring up Google, and you'll notice that we've synchronized the views between Google, Real Suite, and Virtual Earth, so that as I scroll around in Google and close it down, we're right in the same area with our parcel map system. And again, there's Microsoft Virtual Earth. So we have the ability to integrate with all of the major mapping components. We feel we have the best mapping component for the real estate industry, but we're certainly able to extend and embrace the others as well. Now let's show you real tours. I'm just going to check this tour, if you will. I've tagged the property, and I've saved a tour. And what would happen is this would get emailed to a potential buyer or seller, and they would receive this real tour.
Real Tours. My name is Ken Lovett, and I'm the broker-owner of Next Gen Real Estate in the beautiful Pocono Mountains. I have been a real estate agent for over 25 years, and I'm excited to help you find your new home. After reviewing your requirements and searching our entire MLS, I was able to find the homes that I feel will fit your needs and lifestyle. My assistant, Matt, will take you on a new and exciting journey while you tour these properties. As you fly from property to property, information is displayed in the bottom section of your Real Tour. I look forward to assisting you in making your dreams a reality. Take it away, Matt.
3209 Michigan Ave. The property is 0.09 acres, listed at $375,000. You can have it all. This 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with master suite on the main floor and loft area includes all of the furniture and appliances. Owners moving out of the country. You won't find a better deal than this. New roof, carpet and interior paint. Very private, level lot. Tons of storage. 1115 Th Street. The property is 0.17 acres, with a list price of $259,000. This 5-bedroom, 3-bath colonial sits on over 2 acres. Excellent location, updated interior, granite kitchen. Separate building, perfect for home-based business. Separate garage/kennel. .360 Rainbow BLVD. The property is 2.27 acres, at only $276,500. This elegant 2-story traditional home with 5 bedrooms, 3 baths is an unbelievable bargain. This home features a soaring foyer, formal living and dining room, a gourmet kitchen with keeping room and fireplace. Guest room/library on main level. Spacious owner's suite with oversized closet.
At this point, the end user, potential buyer or seller, can take control of the flyover screen and actually look around the neighborhood, get a pretty good feeling for what's going on. They can fly from one home to the other, from one golf course to the churches to the schools, and we can include the points of interest. When the agent creates this real tour, they can actually add points of interest such as golf courses, shopping centers, and other facilities to the real tour. So we feel this gives the end user a feel for the character of the neighborhood, as opposed to just getting a plain virtual tour that shows the house and the ability to look around the room. In addition, you can look at demographic information, the virtual tours if they're in the MLS data, and all sorts of other related data, including videos, all from the Real Tours interface.